Electric current causes a resistor to heat up. So if I apply voltage V to a resistor with resistance R, the power dissipated as heat is equal to V squared over R. Okay, what do you think this is? A hot dog? Well, to an electric current, everything looks like a resistor, even a hot dog. A typical hot dog has a resistance on the order of 100 ohms, although your actual measurements can vary greatly depending on the amounts of salt and other ingredients. Well, as the old proverb says, never ask what's in the sausage, just plug it into 120 volts. Just kidding. But why not? If the hot dog has a resistance of 60 to 120 ohms, the power released in a hot dog plugged into 120 volts will be between 120 and 240 watts. This should be enough to cook a hot dog. Shall we try? I'm going to connect this hot dog to two giant nails posing as electrodes. And now I'll plug this circuit into an electric outlet. As you can see, the current reads about 1 amp, which means we should see the hot dog cook in a few minutes. Okay, I think it's ready. Just need some ketchup and mustard.